Hi there. In this video, we will be discussing how well our model predict on the label, predict on the category of flower. Because previously, we were not having any idea whether the prediction is correct or not. So the code, first snippet of code, the cell number 12, in this code, the two lines are responsible for the imports that we need. That is pandas for reading the dataset and k numbers classified for making the model. In the cell number 13, I am loading the dataset in the Python environment, and in the cell number 14, I'm specifying the features and labels. That's what we are doing in previous lectures as well. So the next thing, the new thing in this lecture is this train test split. The train test split is the module that will automatically convert our data into two chunks. It will divide our data into two chunks. And why there are four variables? Because we have features and labels. So there will be actually four chunks, and two chunks are for training. And in these, there are features and labels, and two chunks are for testing, and they also contain features and labels. So what will happen here? Xtrain, it will contain the features on which our model will get trained. Xtest, it will contain the features on which our model will score. It will later on we will test our model on these features. Y-train. Y-train contain the features on which our model will be trained, and Y-train are the labels actually, and X-train are the features, because we feed the labels and features both. So that's why we will feed X-train and Y-train to our model. X-train contain features and Y-train contain labels. And for the X-test, which are features, we have Y-test, which are the labels for those features, and that's also discussed in the written lecture. I hope that will make more good sense. And after that, we are using the module which is train test split, and within that the first argument are features and the second argument is the label. Okay, and then comes the code 17, in which we are initializing the model the same way we were doing from the beginning. And now we are training our model, and we have to train our model on just one chunk because the other one is for testing. So the first chunk that was reserved for the training is X-train and Y-train. Our model has been trained, and now we can make either predictions, and we can also calculate how well our model works. So that's what I have done in this video. We use dot score method of model. Within that, we provide our model the features on which we want to test and the actual labels for that features. So it will predict on each feature, and it will check whether it matches the actual label or not. And after that, it will calculate the accuracy, which is this, and multiplying it by 100 will give us percentage out of 100. That will be 97.36%, and that will mean that our model accuracy is 97% approximately, and which is very very good. So this model in predicting flower category is very robust and very good. We can use it in any company or wherever we want to. We can use this model